Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm going to talk about the Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'm going to review my predictions with y'all regarding Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. You know, last week I had given y'all certain predictions regarding Nifty as well as Bank Nifty for the week which has ended on the 8th of November 2024. I had given you all a prediction regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I want to review my predictions with you all. Yes, I want to review my predictions with you all. You know, I had told you all that the Nifty could trade between a range of 23,917 and 24,589, and Nifty during the week which has ended on the 8th of November 2024 traded between a range of 23,816 and 24,537. The lower end of the range which I had given you all was 23,917. And the Nifty this week touched a lower level of 23,816. So I fell short by 100 points there. And on the higher end of the range, I had told you all that the Nifty could touch a level of 24,589. And the Nifty touched a level of 24,537. I had told you all 24,589, and Nifty touched a level of 24,537 and it reversed from there. Now I want to talk about the Bank Nifty. The lower end of the range which I had given you all regarding Nifty for the week which ended on the 8th of November 2024 was 50,535. The lower end of the range which I had given you all was 50,535. The Bank Nifty touched a level of 50,865 and it reversed from there. I had the higher end of the range which I had given you all for Bank Nifty was 52,226. Yes, I had told you all that the Bank Nifty could touch a level of 52,226 during this week which ended on the 8th of November 2024. And Bank Nifty this week touched a level of 52,185. So I missed the target by around 40 points in regard to the upper level of the range which I had given you all regarding Bank Nifty. I had told you all that the Nifty would close above a level of 24,271 and Nifty closed at a level of 24,148. I had told you all that the Nifty would trade from flat to positive during this week. And I had told you all clearly that the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty could go below that level where it closed in the previous week. And it did exactly that as I had told you all. After going down, the Nifty and Bank Nifty reversed from lower levels and it started trading above that level where it closed in the previous week. So this is my review regarding Bank Nifty and Nifty predictions. So now, you know, I want to talk about the stock market right now. You know, just yesterday, just let me see, somebody has messaged me. Mr. Vinay Saunani, date of birth 3rd of May 1977. Yes, Mr. Vinay, what is your question? Please do write your question. Mr. Hiramat, good afternoon. Anuji, hello, how are you doing? Okay, definitely I will tell you, I will take this question. Please hold on. Just let me talk about this lady which had called me very recently. She was doing futures and options in the stock market. She wanted to make a living trading in the stock market. Yes, she told me that she didn't have any other income, so she wanted to earn money from the stock market, investing money in futures and options. You know, she started trading a year back, and she told me that she's already lost 5 lakhs since the time she has started trading in the stock market. She wanted to make a monthly income out of futures and options, and on the contrary, she lost money. She lost 5 lakh of rupees. So she lost 40,000 rupees a month approximately. Yes, so futures and options is not for everyone. Let me warn you all, if you want to earn in the stock market, think long term, don't think short term. If you think short term, then you are going to lose money. You are going to lose money and you are going to destroy your wealth. You're going to destroy your money completely. So please do not do that. Don't gamble in the stock market. Don't do that. Gambling is not meant for everyone. Every person doesn't have that kind of horoscope where they can earn money through gambling. Yes. So please think long term in the stock market. Don't look for instant gratifications in the stock market. Don't do that. Don't think that I want to become a millionaire overnight or in a month or in a few months. If you have that concept about stock market, you are gonna lose money. So think long term. Think in regard to delayed gratification, not instant gratification. Yes, you cannot earn money instantly in the stock market. You know, people who have made money in the stock market, they have invested their money for a very long time, and then they have invested their money very prudently. They have done their own research, and after that they invested their money. And let me mention Mr. Bill Gates, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Mr. Vijay Kedia. These people have made a lot of money in the stock market, and they did not make money in the stock market overnight. So if you want to make millions of dollars in the stock market, millions of rupees in the stock market, think long term. If you think short term, if you think that I will invest my money in the morning and it will double or triple in the evening, that can happen. That can definitely happen. But more often than not, you will lose money. If you earned 5,000 rupees today, tomorrow you will lose 10,000. So this stock market is not for everyone. Yes, some people are there in this world who make money in trading. Yes, they make money in trading, but they have plenty of money. They average down their cost price whenever a stock falls or rises. So they have ample money to play with. You know, this stock market is called capital markets. So you need a lot of capital if you want to play this market. Yes, you need to treat this stock market as a business. And if you treat it as a gambling den, as a casino, you are gonna lose money. And a casino always wins. The person who plays, the gambler who plays in the stock market or in the casino, they are gonna lose money. You know, the statistic, I read a statistic which shows around 95% of the people who are into futures and options, they lose money and they lose their hard earned money. They take a loan, take leverage, and they invest in the stock market, in the futures and options segment of the market, and they lose money. So, my request to y'all would be invest in the stock market. Whatever money you have, the money which you don't need it regularly, not from your monthly expenses. Don't use money which you use for your monthly expenses. Use that money which you don't need and start investing in quality stocks. Yes, quality. Quality stocks is the name of the game. If you invest in quality stocks, not penny stocks, 50 paisa or 1 rupee stocks, more often than not, you will lose money in that. I'm not saying that you can't earn money in that. Yes, you can earn money in that. But the chances of you earning money in that will be very remote. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. And if you invest your money, you need to be patient. Even if your stock prices go down, you need to be patient with your investment. Yes, as I always say, that stock market is a device of transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. Yes, stock market is a device from transferring the money. Yes, the money will be transferred from those people who are impatient to the patient. So, there is an element of risk in the stock market as well. So you need to be prepared to take risk in the stock market as well and be patient. Yes, patience is something. Patience is one virtue you need for the stock market. Otherwise, you won't be able to make money. And stop looking at the screen every now and then. The more you look at the screen, the trading screen I mean, the more are the chances of you losing money. You will exit your position if you lose, if your stock is not doing well. Suppose if you bought a stock at 100 rupees and if it is showing 80 rupees now, then more often than not, you will be in a panic mode and you will sell your stock. So stop looking at the screen every now and then and concentrate on your regular work. Whatever you are doing, whether you are a businessman, whether you are in a job, whether you are a doctor, an engineer, a lawyer, whatever you are, do your work and stop looking at the screen during the day. You need to stop looking at the screen during the day because more often than not, you will go into a panic mode and sell that stock. So don't, we human beings suffer more in imagination than in reality. Yes, we imagine things. Oh, we are suffering a loss. We are imagining that we are suffering a notional loss. And in that panic, we sell that stock. So don't do that. Invest for the long term. If you want to make millions and billions in the stock market, invest for the long term. Yes, you need to do that. So let me take Mr. Vinay's question. Vinayji, please hold on. Let me just make your horoscope. Sorry for I've kept you waiting for long. Please be patient in this. 3rd of May 1977. 12:25. And New Delhi. Yes, there we go now with your horoscope. Yes, Vinayji, sorry for keep you to have kept you waiting for so long. You are Cancer ascendant and Libra moon sign. So your when will my financial condition improve? All loans repayment. So currently you are running Mercury Mahadasha. Yes, you are running Mercury Mahadasha and your Antardasha is Sun, Mercury Sun. The planet Sun is exalted. You have and all the both the luminaries, the Moon and the Sun are in opposition to each other. Moon is in Libra as well as the Sun is in the Aries sign. So I think Vinayji, after 8th of October 2025, you are gonna see good times in your life. Yes, regarding finances, you are gonna see very good times in your life. And you need to invest less at this point in time. Wherever you are investing, you need to be prudent with your money at this point in time. But after the date which I told you, after that you are gonna see very good time in your life regarding finances. And probably in after June 2027, all your debts will be paid off. You'll pay off all your debts after that. Yes, I don't see any major problem in your horoscope. No, I don't see that happening. In fact, I would say that Mr. Vinay, you are gonna earn a lot of money. Yes, you are gonna earn a lot of money from next year onwards, the date I gave you just now. So, Arun Khurana, Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di, Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali. Sanjay Kalaria, very true. Thank you. Good morning, Sanjay Kalaria ji. Yes, Mr. Vinay, if you want to do a remedy, you can distribute 8 bottles of thumbs up. Yes, you know those PET bottles, those 20 rupees PET bottles, you can buy 8 PET bottles of a thumbs up on every Amavasya and you can distribute it to 8 different poor people. And the other thing which you can do is that you can distribute 80 rupees each to 4 different poor people. So what you have to do is that you have to distribute 8 PET bottles of a black cola beverage. You can distribute a thumbs up, a Pepsi or a Coca-Cola. And you have to distribute 80 rupees each and to 4 different poor people. So you can do that also. If you want to see improvement in your life in regard to finances, you can do it every Amavasya. So Vinayji, I hope you've got the answer. Okay. So now you see, I was just talking about the stock market. Well, I was talking about taking risk in the stock market. Well, where there is no risk, there is no gain. Yes, where there is no risk, there is no gain. Everything in our life is risky. Yes, everything in our life is risky. The minute we got born, it got risky, isn't it? Getting married is risky. Being born is risky. Driving a car is risky. Crossing a road is risky. Everything in this life is risky. I'll tell you how risky life is. We aren't going to get out of this life alive. We have to die to live here. So this is how risky life is. So risk is a part of life and you need to take those risks. You know, somebody has said that a person who hasn't taken risk in his or her life, they haven't done anything. Yes. So that element of risk is there in the stock market. You see, where there is risk everywhere. If you do a business, if you do invest in a commodity, if you invest in gold and silver, then there is risk also there. So, isn't it? So you need to think that, you need to take some risks in your life. You know, where if you aren't willing to take risk in your life, you can't grow in your life. And if you can't grow in your life, you can't become your best in your life. And if you can't become your best in your life, then what else is there? And after you become the best in your life, you will become happy in your life. And if you can't become happy in your life, then what else is there? Because after all, we all people on this planet Earth want happiness. We earn money for happiness. We get married for happiness. So, that risk element should be always taken in your life. And a calculated risk. I'm not telling you all to gamble in the stock market. No, don't do that. Just stay invested in the stock market and try to time the market. People say, no, you don't need to time the market. You don't need to, it is always wise to buy low and sell high. Yes, you need to wait for the right time. You need to wait for the markets to correct substantially before you invest in the stock market. This correction which has come about, this 8-10% correction, whatever it is, this is not a correction. This is a normal behavior of the stock market. This is the normal behavior of a bull market. So there is nothing to get, surprised about. Oh, the Nifty has fallen around 2000 points. No, there is nothing to get worried about. This is very normal in the stock market. For those people who have seen the stock market over the years, they must be knowing that this is very normal. But the stock prices have gone down significantly. So at this point in time, you should be thinking of investing your money where you think the value has emerged. So just yesterday somebody asked me a question regarding one stock, and I looked at that horoscope, of that particular company. The name of that stock is Cargo Trans Maritime Limited. Cargo Trans, yes, CARGO Trans Maritime Limited. Cargo Trans Maritime Limited. It's listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange and the number is 5436A18. So, this gentleman asked me whether you should buy this stock or not. So the horoscope of this particular company, Cargo Trans Maritime Limited, looks very good to me. Yes, there is good future for this company. This Cargo Trans Maritime Limited. I told him that astrologically and numerologically, this company looks good to me, and you can buy the shares of this company. But currently the stock is trading at around 81 rupees 60 paisa. So it hit a upper circuit of 20% yesterday, or maybe day after tomorrow. Yes, it touched it hit a 20% circuit on Friday or Thursday. And at this price, 81 rupees 60 paisa, I told that gentleman not to buy any more stocks of this particular company. Yes, you can buy stock of this particular company, but at a level of 53 rupees. Don't pay more than 53 rupees for this stock. Yes, my entry level for this particular stock would be 53 rupees, not a penny more than that. Yes, so if you want to invest in this company, and I have seen the horoscope of this company, seems good. The prospects of the company seems good. The future of this company seems good. The stock prices can go higher than these levels also. But I wouldn't recommend you all to buy the stock at this price of 181 rupees 60 paisa. You need to buy this stock at a level of 53 rupees. Well, Sanjay Kalaria says, kindly advise if stock market is viable option as it has not been so far. Means Mr. Hari Raja says. Mr. Sanjay Kalaria says good time, investment time in stock market. Yes, this is a good question, Mr. Sanjay. Mr. Sanjay, actually I'm expecting the stock markets to fall substantially next year. Between 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2025, I expect the markets to correct substantially. I expect the markets to fall substantially next year. Yes, I expect the markets astrologically and numerologically to correct at that point in time. You can keep your money ready and you need to start investing your money in good quality stocks at that point in time. And that could be a good timing for you to buy stocks. It would be a great time for anyone to buy stocks. And once this, and we are already in a bull run. So, sooner rather than later, the markets would recover and the stock prices will go up substantially after that. So, my advice to you all would be astrologically and numerologically to invest in those times where the markets have fallen substantially. And I expect the markets to fall anywhere between 15 to 20% at that point in time, between 8th of January 2024 and 26th of April 2024. Yes, Mr. Hari Rajagopal, possible. There could be a crash even in the US stock markets. There could be a crash in the stock markets worldwide. Sanjay Kalaria writes, risk is a journey of life. Oh, absolutely. I agree with you, Sanjay ji. Completely. So this is what I wanted to talk about the stock markets. So, let us remain very, very patient. See, I was talking about patience. You need to be patient while buying and you need to be patient while selling as well. Like, you cannot buy a particular stock right at the bottom. If you are very lucky, you will get your stocks right at the bottom. But usually if you get a 30 to 50% correction, you can always invest your money in quality stocks. So, astrologically, I've seen the horoscope of this particular company, which is called Cargo Trans Maritime Limited. Seems good, but you need to remain invested in this particular stock for the long term. Don't think short term. Well, if you all have any other questions, yes, just let me see. Mr. Hari Rajagopal has sent me his date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. Mr. Hari Gopal, please be patient. I'll just make your horoscope first and answer your questions. Mr. Hari Rajagopal, can you please ask me a question? Please type your question so that I can answer it. Mr. Hari Rajagopal. Just let me make your horoscope first. Mr. Hari Rajagopal. Yes, Mr. Hari Rajagopal, what is your question? Kindly advise if stock market is a viable option. It has not been so far. Yes, Mr. Hari Rajagopal, I wouldn't recommend you to invest at this point in time. No, I would suggest you to invest sometime next year. It can be a viable option for you. I have no doubt about it. But you have to stay invested for the long term. Yes, you cannot earn money in trading. No, your horoscope doesn't indicate that you'll earn money through trading. No, not at all. So don't even think of trading in the stock market. Please don't do that. So I hope, Mr. Hari Rajagopal, you got the answer. So, yes. So, you see, now I'll be coming every day with y'all to, to help y'all with the Nifty and Bank Nifty. I will be coming live every day in the afternoon or in the night, and I'll be trying to help y'all with your, just give y'all these Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions. If you want to, I also give gold and silver predictions every week. And I give those predictions on Monday, and I give weekly predictions in that video of mine every Monday. But if you want daily predictions of gold and silver, then you can contact my secretary, Mr. Kalidas, and he will give you details regarding gold and silver. If you want the prices of gold on a particular day, whether in dollar terms or in rupee terms, I can help you with that. I can even help you with Bank Nifty and Nifty levels for every day. So, but I will be coming live and helping y'all in that. Maybe in the night or in the afternoon sometime, maybe at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, whenever I find time. Yes, Mr. Hari Rajagopal, if you invest your money for the long term, that is okay. Mr. M says, please tell us about some sectors at this point in time. See, Mr. M, I am not very enthusiastic about investing right now. No, I don't think so. This is the right time to invest in the stock market. You need to be patient while buying also, not only selling. Yes, you need to be patient while buying also. So next year, you can invest in the stock market, in whichever sector you want to invest, because most of the sectors are going to show significant correction next year. So that is what because it is not wise for me to tell you all to invest right now. No, this is not the time. Like if you want to invest in those stocks which have fallen 30, 40, 50%, you can go ahead and do that. And that should be a quality stock as well. So you can do that. Well, one more question I had received from one more gentleman, and that was regarding IDFC Bank Limited. He had asked me this question, that at what level should I buy IDFC Bank Limited? IDFC Bank Limited is currently, just let me see, what is the price of the IDFC Bank? It's currently trading at 65 rupees. It's currently trading at 65 rupees, IDFC Bank Limited. And I saw the horoscope of IDFC Bank. So let me tell you that the ideal price to start investing in IDFC Bank would be 46 rupees. Don't even think of buying IDFC Bank stock before 46 rupees. That should be the time for you to invest in the IDFC Bank Limited stock. So don't even think of investing before that. Mr. Naresh, if you want a general reading about your horoscope, You can contact me personally. Yes, I can answer all your questions there. Oh yes, Mr. Sanjay, definitely we can catch movement in the stock markets. We can definitely catch. But that needs a lot of study, and that needs a lot of, I'll tell you, see, I've already given you the dates, Sanjay ji, between which we can, invest in the stock market. But if you want to know when the markets would fall exactly, but it would be somewhere between 8th of January 2024 and 26th of April 2024. So that would be the time where you can invest your money. Deepak Mehta, 18th of January 1975. Let me make your horoscope, Mr. Deepak. Eighteenth of January 1975. 12:35 p.m. And you were born in Surat. Yes, Deepak ji, your horoscope is now in front of me, and you have a Aries ascendant, Mesh Lagna, and your moon sign is Pisces. Yes, your moon sign is Pisces. So, what have you asked? Deepak ji, what is your question? Can I trade in the stock? Okay, just let me see. Yes, Deepak ji, you can trade in the stock market, Yes, you can do that. Yes, you can trade in the stock market. Mr. Deepak, you have a superb horoscope. Yes. Financially, there will be no problem in your life. Never, never. And if you want to trade in the stock market, I don't think so you'll have any problems. Sooner or later, you can earn good, big money in the stock market. You can get a windfall in the stock market sometime in your life also. So there is no problem with your horoscope. Arun Khurana ji writes, गुरुजी निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी 5 जनवरी तक कितना हाई जा सकता है? अगर इस पोजीशन में बनानी हो तो डाउन साइड के लिए तो कब बनानी चाहिए? दिसंबर लास्ट वीक या जनवरी फर्स्ट वीक? मुझे लगता है कि 8 जनवरी के बाद एक टाइम आएगा, एक कुछ इवेंट होगा दुनिया में 8 जनवरी और 26 अप्रैल के बीच में, जो कि मार्केट्स को गिराएगा, जबरदस्त गिराएगा. कुछ ऐसा कोई इवेंट आएगा जो कि मार्केट्स गिरेंगे और अच्छे खासे गिरेंगे. स्टॉक्स हो सकते हैं 40-50% भी गिर जाए यहां से. हाँ जी, बिल्कुल गिर सकते हैं. तो मतलब मैं पर्टिकुलरली जब मैं आपको बोलूंगा कोई डेट, अभी तो मेरे को डेट्स इतनी मेरे को पता नहीं है कि कब एग्जैक्टली कौन से दिन को गिर सकता है. वो मेरे को नहीं लग रहा पॉसिबल होगा मेरे लिए आपको बताना, मगर मैं कोशिश करूंगा एक्यूरेट होने की उस रिगार्ड में. देखिए दीपक जी, प्लीज डू नॉट वरी अबाउट मनी. सूनर और लेटर यू विल रिकवर फ्रॉम योर फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स. डोंट वरी. You have a good horoscope, and sooner or later you will recover from your financial problems, whatever they are. Yes, I can, because your horoscope is really very good. So you don't need to worry about your finances, because none of your work will get, you won't just, what I mean to say is that आपका कोई भी काम रुकने वाला नहीं है पैसे की वजह से, ना रुका है ना रुकेगा आगे, तो आप चिंता नहीं करें। जब जब आपको पैसे की जरूरत होती है आपको मिल जाता है। देखिए दीपक जी, तो इसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका काम रुक गया और आपका काम रुक गया और आप एकदम पैसे के बगैर, मतलब आप एकदम लॉस्ट हो गए, आप खो गए जिंदगी में। नहीं, वैसा नहीं होगा कभी भी। यस। So any more questions from your end, please? So now, regarding tomorrow's levels, Bank Nifty and Nifty, I will come tomorrow and give you all the levels sometime in the afternoon, probably at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Yes. So, you see, I am following you from some weeks and your predictions are amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Deepak ji, you're most welcome. So I think there are hardly any more questions and I think I'm done for the day. So I'll end the stream right now. Or if you all have any more questions, please do let me know. No, I don't think so. Anybody is messaging me right now. So I'll end the stream right now. For those people who are watching me, those who are following me, a very big thank you to you all. May God bless you all. May God give you all the richness, all the prosperity in your life. God bless you all. Vishwanadham, Jonada, next week, good day. Good day for what? Be specific, Mr. Vishwanadham. I think I'm done for today, and I'll catch you sometime, maybe tomorrow. Yes, sometime in the afternoon tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.